Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna talk about DogeCoin. Guys, is DogeCoin really gonna pump on this upcoming Saturday, which is on 8th May? And what is that SNL event which Elon Musk is talking about? And the major news is Amazon really gonna accept DogeCoin as one of their mode of payments? So if all these things works out, then the price prediction of one Dogecoin will be around 200 to 300 rupees easily. Okay guys, now before we talk about Elon Musk's SLN event and Amazon's new mode of payment, guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Guys, if you're looking to grow a YouTube channel, Instagram account, and if you're looking to make money online by doing cryptocurrencies, then you're on the right spot, so consider subscribing. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Guys, right now the price of one Dogecoin is around 29 rupees. And so many people are making videos and they're telling that the price of one Dogecoin will reach $5, $10 and even $15. Guys, looking at the current scenario, Dogecoin reaching $1 is very much possible, and this might happen in just few days. But guys, how is this possible? Guys, there's a website called Change, and on this website a community is coming together to bring change in Amazon by signing a petition, and out of 3 lakh signatures it has already fulfilled 2 lakh 8,000. And guys, by the way, even if you want to sign this petition, then you can do that by going onto this website. Just go all the way down and click on start petition. Now guys, what is this all about? Guys, this community, DogeCoin community, wants Amazon to accept DogeCoin as one of their modes of payments. And Amazon has also replied that they're looking into this and they're researching on this. Guys, if this thing works out, then you're looking at $5 Dogecoin easy. But this will take time. Now guys, what is this Elon Musk's SLN event which is conducted on this upcoming Saturday, which is dated on 8th May. Elon Musk just tweeted the DogeFather SNL event May 8th. Now what does SNL stands for? SNL stands for Saturday Night Live Event. This is going to happen in US at 9 PM Saturday, May 8th. So if we look at the Indian timings, then it's the next day, which is on Sunday, 9 to 10 PM approximately. Guys, now if you really want to make money, then immediately buy as much as Dogecoins as possible, because this time we are going to the moon. Now this event is almost 6 days away, and you can see the price of Dogecoin increasing slowly. So buy Dogecoin and hold it. Now guys, if you want to buy Dogecoin but don't know where to buy and how to buy, then don't worry. All you have to do is just download an application called wazirx from Play Store. Guys, on my channel I've already made a tutorial video on how to create a wazirx account. So I'll leave that video link in the description of this video. So just click on that video, watch that video and create a new account on wazirx. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, on this channel I make all YouTube growth related videos, Instagram and cryptocurrency related videos. So if you're a YouTuber, Instagrammer, and if you're interested in making money online by doing cryptocurrencies, then consider subscribing. Okay guys, now if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.